What if I told you the US just unveiled a fighter jet so advanced, it makes the F-22 look like a museum piece? One image, posted by a top general, sent shockwaves through the global defense community. This isn't rumor. This isn't hype. This is the F-47, and it's about to change the skies forever. In May 2025, Air Force Chief General David Alvin dropped a graphic online. Nothing flashy. But hidden in that image were numbers. Numbers that proved America's next-gen fighter isn't just real. It's so far ahead, even our enemies don't know how to react. This is not an upgrade. This is a revolution in air dominance. The F-47's combat range, over 1,000 nautical miles, maybe even 1,500. That's nearly double the range of today's best fighters. No refueling tankers, no vulnerabilities. Strike anywhere, escape clean. China's anti-access zones, useless now. This beast hits Mach 2+, faster than sound, yet invisible on radar. Engineers once said you couldn't be fast and stealthy. The F-47 just proved them wrong. Heat signatures? Hidden. Radar reflections? Absorbed. It's a ghost with afterburners. But here's where it gets wild. The F-47 doesn't fly alone. It commands AI-powered drone fighters, smart, loyal, and lethal. They detect threats, jam enemy systems, strike targets, and even sacrifice themselves to protect the pilot. It's not one jet entering the battle. It's a team of 6. These aren't RC toys. These are thinking war machines, trained by AI, optimized for combat. A single pilot becomes a tactical commander in the sky. And the enemy? They won't know who's manned and who's not. That confusion? It's a weapon. The investment? Over $100 billion. But this isn't just military spending. It's a national investment in aerospace dominance. From jobs in Missouri to AI labs in California, the F-47 powers innovation across America. Everyone benefits when we build this kind of brilliance. Allies are lining up, begging for export versions, even downgraded ones. China? In emergency meetings. Russia? Quietly realizing their top systems are now obsolete. America didn't just catch up. We've leapfrogged decades ahead. And here's the kicker. The drones evolve. As AI improves, so do they. New sensors, plug them in. Advanced weapons, upload and deploy. No redesign, no downtime. This is modular air power, built to outlast every threat. This isn't just a jet, it's peace of mind. Our pilots will fly the most advanced aircraft in human history. Enemies will think twice. And our allies? They'll sleep better knowing freedom flies with American wings. Because when America builds, we build to win. The F-47 is more than hardware. It's a statement to the world. We still lead. We still dominate. And we're just getting started. If you believe in American air power, smash that like button and comment, America Strong.